Hey, do you want to learn how to download, install, and use NVIDIA app on Windows 11 on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So here I've got the NVIDIA app opened up. And if I want to install this, I'm going to go over to my browser. This is the Chrome browser. Type NVIDIA app here in the Google search, or you can also type it on URL over here. And once you do, the first option is going to be nvidia.com. Just click on it and then click on download now. Once downloaded, click on it. It's going to load and then you need to click on agree and continue. Now it's going to prepare to install. Now once you have downloaded it and installed it to your computer, you'll be able to open it. On the left hand side, you can go over to drivers and upgrade your drivers. You can switch between game ready driver and studio driver. So this is for creativity apps, for example, Premiere Pro or After Effects, Illustrator. And if you want to go for game ready drivers, you can do so, but one of them can be installed at a time. For game ready drivers, if you are playing games on your computer, you can go for the game ready driver. So here I've got the GeForce game ready driver and I can reinstall it if I want to. If there is any bug in the driver, you can reinstall it. Also, you're going to see what's new inside that driver and what's fixed, etc. On the left-hand side, we can also go for graphics. So you can set these programs graphics. You can add RTX dynamic vibrance, RTX HDR, and a lot more. This depends on what graphic card you got. I have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, which has this RTX capability, and that's why I can select these two. You also got all the other options here. Let's say I'm going to select a vote on the left hand side and I can select the in-game settings and optimize it as well. From here on the top right, you can play it, open file location, hide the program. These are global settings and these are program specific settings. So you can set the global settings as well. And on the left hand side next to graphics, we got system. You can set up the G-Sync. Enable or disable it from here. This is your scaling, color, and display properties. Next to this, we got video. You can turn on the super resolution and the HDR. There's also performance. So you can see the stats of your graphic card, the GPU utilization, CPU utilization, and such. It's even going to tell you about your GPU temperature. So you do not need another software to check it. And you can also check out this GPU temperature if you go over to Task Manager and Performance. Scroll down, you're going to find this. And you can look over next to the percentage, the temperature of the graphic card. Now, inside this, you can overclock it as well. But I would advise not to do it. It may harm your graphic card if you overclock it a lot. And next to this, we got My Rig. This is your operating system, driver, CPU, your total RAM, storage, etc. And I've put the links to my rig in the description as well, the Amazon links. So if you do find any of these interesting and you want to buy them as well, go through my links. It's going to help me out with a small commission. There's also settings on the left-hand side. So you can go over to the features, NVIDIA overlay, going to help you to capture videos, screenshots of your gameplay, change graphic settings, monitor system performance, and more. There's also game filters and photo mode, so you can enable or disable it from here. There's drivers, so it's going to automatically download the drivers, and it's going to ask you if you want to install it or not. And you can disable it from here as well. There's games and apps. You can scan it. If you just installed an game or an app and it does not show up in the graphics section, you can scan it from here. And you can also choose the language of your NVIDIA app by clicking on this button and changing it. So let's say I change it to Korean. It's going to change the language of our app to Korean. And let's switch back to English. There's notifications next. If you want notifications of your driver updates, you can check or uncheck this. You can also manage your Windows notification settings by clicking over here. And next up, we got About. This is your app version, and you can opt in to access the beta or experimental features by clicking over here for early access. And that's it. That's how to download and install NVIDIA app on your PC or laptop. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.